Yo, what's going on? Today I'm going to show you how to download a Cats and Soup modded version with unlimited resources in 2025 on iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the video, and I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So what you need to do is go ahead and go to this website. It's called zoomods.com. They specialize in modded apps, and just type in Cats and Soup. And as you can see, it comes up, and I'm going to press on it, and it's going to start to download the mod. So let's wait for it to download here. As you can see, now before you actually get the mod, you are going to have to do a verification, which just means downloading some apps and completing the instructions. They're 100% free and they're from the official app store. So I'm going to walk you guys through the process and show you exactly how to do it. So as you can see right here, it's going to load up and it says like Cats and Soup mod, please install 2 free apps to automatically install the mod. So the thing people will do is they'll download 2 of the apps and they won't read the instructions. So that's the biggest thing you need to do. You need the instructions. So as you can see, text now says install, open, make a 20-second call, tester up, down, install, register, valid info, Alibaba, down, run for 30 seconds. So make sure you follow the instructions of the apps. So just press tap to install and it'll bring you straight to the Play Store. If you're on an iPhone, it'll bring you straight to the App Store. Make sure you read those instructions, very important, and bear in mind, depending on what country you're in, you might see different apps than me, and that is 100% fine. Just make sure you do 2 of them. You can see down here it says compare offers, checking completion. So it's really easy to do. I didn't have any problems with it, and now I'm super rich in the Cats and Soup. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but be sure to subscribe to the channel because this is super insane and it actually works. Like, I know a lot of people don't really like support hacks and stuff, but trust me guys, this is updated and it fully works. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. It's super cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and peace out.